Hello friends, today we will learn one more new thing. Let's log on to SAP. Whenever I will go to transaction code MIRO, where I can see different type of tax code IMINIO. If you wanna want to fix any tax code which will appear whenever you will enter in invoice, suppose I want to fix this IO input tax whenever I will enter transaction code MIRO. So we need to do some configuration. Let's move to the configuration. For that I'll use here transaction code OMR2. Here you can see different company codes. Let's search for our company codes. 3100 is our company code. As it is not here, so we will create 3100. After that I am fixing IO input tax. Okay, and just save it. Save the TR request. Now again move to MIRO transaction code. Look it is automatically come. Thank you for watching.